And to begin with, we are going to look at the process of in-text citations. On the screen here, you can see some examples of how you would construct an in-text citation using numeric references in the text. The first example demonstrates how you would use numbers in brackets, and it indicates a page number. And the second example is the same example but using superscript. The third example I have included there is if you have written a section of text based upon several references, these are indicated by listing each source separated by a comma. Now let's look at how that would appear within an example text, and as you can see there, we have used the numeric citation system, and important to note that we have put the citation numbers after the full stop.